Now if you come across this issue where your boot is not opening on the Toyota Aygo, Citroen C1, Peugeot 108 or any car which has a similar boot mechanism that is not opening at all, then I'll show you how I fixed it. Now firstly I tried digging in a flat screwdriver to nudge any mechanism, which did not work. Time to open this up. Take out any secure plastic caps. They are pre-installed plastic caps within, so you will need to lift up the cover with slight force. This is the lever to open up the boot. Now that the boot is open, the issue is still not fixed. I'm still having a problem opening the boot from outside. So what I've discovered is whenever I push the boot button to open, the plastic lever does not cling on to the metal lever to activate the opening of the boot. We tried to align the metal lever back in place. It did work, but not for long. So we decided to change the whole tailgate boot latch. Obviously if we were to buy the part from the manufacturers, it will cost a lot. So it's best to check the scrapyard or online. They'll go for around £20. Open up these two nuts with a 10mm socket. You may need to open up the back bumper to get access. So this is the old boot latch mechanism. Can't seem to find anything broken. But the plastic lever does not seem to be fully covering the metal lever, so I think that was the issue. This is the new part and how it should be. Got it installed and was working perfectly fine. Job done. Drive safe guys. Peace.